Hello students, welcome in 8th math class. Today we are going to see practice set 5.3 question number 2.
First example is 2a plus b bracket cube minus 2a minus b bracket cube. First we will expand this term. 2a plus b bracket cube. 2a cube plus 3 into 2a bracket square into b means 3a square b. 3ab square is the third term. 3ab square. And last term is b cube. This cube is 8a cube plus 3 4a square into b 6a into b square plus b cube. 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. This is the expansion of this first term. Now we will do the expansion of 2a minus b. The terms are same, but at some terms the sign changes. First term as it is, then minus 12a square b, then 6ab square and minus b cube. The second term and fourth term will be minus because there is power of b is odd. One power here and here is power 3. Now what we have to do? 2a plus b bracket cube minus 2a minus b bracket cube equal to, we have to do subtraction of these two. I have written already one below other. So 8a cube minus 8a cube 0. 12 minus 12a square b, that is 24a square b. 6 minus 6 ab square 0. 1b cube minus 1b cube, that is 1 plus 1. Minus minus becomes plus. 1 plus 1 2b cube. Example number 2. 3r minus 2k bracket cube plus 3r plus 2k bracket cube. We will expand first bracket. So 3r cube 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3r 3 into 3r 2k bracket square minus 2k bracket cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here 27r cube minus 3 into 9r square into 2k plus 3 3 is 9r into 4k square minus 8k cube equal to 27r cube minus 27r square into 2k plus 36r k square minus 8k cube. 54r square k plus 36r k square minus 8k cube. This is the expansion of first term. Then what is expansion of this term? All the terms will come positive, terms will be same. 3r plus 2k cube, 27r cube, 54r square k, 36r k square and 8k cube. Now we have to do the addition of these two expansion. This first term's expansion is here, second term's expansion is here. We have to add. On left we added, right also we will add. 54r cube minus 54 plus 54 0. 36 and 36 72 rk square minus 8 plus 8 0. So here comes 54r cube plus 72 rk square. Example number 3. 4a minus 3 bracket cube minus 4a plus 3 bracket cube. First bracket we will solve. 4a minus 3 bracket cube. 4a cube 3 into 4a bracket square into 3 plus 3 into 4a 3 square minus b cube. Now simplify it. 64a cube. 3 3 is 9 and after solving the bracket we will get 16a square plus 3 4s 12 a 3 3s 9 minus 27. 64a cube 16 into 9 that is 144 a square. 12 9s are 108. This is the expansion of 4a minus 3 bracket cube. Afterwards 4a plus 3 bracket cube, but all the terms will be positive because here a and b are positive. We have to do the subtraction of these two terms. Expansion of first term minus expansion of second term. On left we have done the subtraction, on right we will do the subtraction. 64 minus 64 minus 144 minus 144. 108 minus 108 minus 27 minus 27 is 54. So the answer minus 288 a square minus 54. Next example, 5x minus 7y bracket cube plus 5x plus 7y bracket cube. We will do the expansion of 5x minus 7y bracket cube. 5x cube 3 into 5x bracket square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y bracket square minus 7y bracket cube. 125 x cube minus 3 into 25 x square into 7y plus 3 5 are 15x into 49y square minus 343. 125 x cube minus 3 into 175. 25 sevens are 175 x square y plus 15 into 49 we will do here. 735. 735 x y square minus 343. Answer is 125 x cube minus 525 x square y plus 735 x y square minus 343. This is the expansion of first term. Now second term. Only the signs will change. The terms are as before. So we have to do the addition, means no change in sign. 125 plus 125 is 250 x cube minus 525 plus 525 is 0. 735 and 735 that is 1470 x y square minus plus same numbers means opposite numbers are there, so addition is 0. Answer will be 250 x cube plus 1470 x y square.
Students, if you like this video, share to your friends and hit the like button and subscribe the channel also. Let's meet in next video. Till then, keep watching.